Yeah, quick and easy. There's the spinach, tightly packed. I'm gonna chop it up, put it in there with the eggs, the cheese, and the buttermilk's in there already. The pan is getting hot with the butter, and we're gonna make an omelet. I mean, scrambled eggs, sorry. Get every ounce out of this pan, this little bowl that goes in there. Now, I love spinach, so I put the amount that I want to eat. If you feel it's too much after viewing this, then you adjust it. Very high flame. Scrambled eggs you want to cook and get it out of the pan. I do not eat my scrambled eggs well done. And I used a non-stick pan, but I still put a tablespoon and a half of butter in here for the flavor. And that's it. Put this in my little there. Now we have the eggs, everything. You don't need salt because the Parmesan cheese has plenty. Little pepper. Now I can enjoy my breakfast. Thank you. And instead of having toast or a bagel or English muffin, this is what I made, the quinoa flatbread, and I threw it in the freezer. I took some out, put it in the microwave. I'm having that with this. How healthy is that?